Black francolin, the voice of the wild kala-titar sounds and story. In the stillness of the countryside, a bold, rhythmic call echoes through the morning mist. This is not just any bird. This is the black francolin, a proud singer of the wild. What is a black francolin? The black francolin, known locally in South Asia as kala-titar, is a ground-dwelling bird found in Pakistan, India, Nepal, Iran, and parts of Bangladesh. The male is striking, dark feathers, a white ring around the neck, and golden-brown patterns across the body. Females are more camouflaged with lighter, earthy tones. But what truly sets the black francolin apart is its unique and powerful voice. Play real black francolin call for a few seconds. The black francolin prefers open fields, riverbanks, bushy grasslands, and farmlands. It is often seen walking on the ground, rarely flying unless it feels threatened. At dawn and dusk, the male loudly calls out, not just to attract a mate, but to claim his territory. The black francolin is alert, fast, and territorial. It eats seeds, grains, insects, soft leaves, and sometimes small creatures. It forages on the ground and hides in thick grass when it senses danger. It's more of a runner than a flyer. They are usually seen in pairs, and males are known to be aggressive, especially when defending their space. Fights between males, through sound or action, are common during breeding season. The male's call is loud, clear, and repetitive. Something like titar titar or chuck 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 chuck. It can be heard far and wide in the early morning. In rural areas, it becomes a daily part of life. Unfortunately, this very sound often attracts hunters, who trap these birds for their voice, either to cage them or use them in illegal bird fights. In Pakistan, India, and surrounding regions, the kala-titar is a well-known and admired bird. Its call is part of the village morning routine, a symbol of life, land, and tradition. But sadly, some people capture them for sport or entertainment. They're kept in cages, far from their natural world, where their voice loses its freedom. Final thoughts and message. The black francolin is not just a bird. It's the sound of the wild, a living alarm clock of nature. When it sings, it awakens everything. The grass, the wind, the rising sun. Let's protect this voice. Let it remain in the open skies, not trapped in cages or silenced by human greed. A voice, a spirit, a symbol of freedom. If you enjoyed this story of the kala-titar, hit the like button, subscribe for more nature stories, and tell us in the comments, have you ever heard the black francolin call in real life?